Yo, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will back again, and I'm about to do a ride along with this fragrance here. I just got it not too long ago. This is Jean Lowe Azure, and it's a clone or rendition of Afternoon Swim by Louis Vuitton. I sprayed it a couple of times. I wore it around the house a little bit, and I like the smell of it. My initial impressions of it was kind of like wasn't all that great, but it's just because it's redundant. If you have some of the other ones like Mysite or something like that, there's no need to get this one, but I want to check out the performance of it. So ride along with me and let's get some sprays. It's going to be a little bit warm today, so I'm probably going to have maybe just this t-shirt, or I might have a hoodie on a little bit later, a light hoodie, so I can spray straight onto my skin. There we go. And then let's get behind the neck. And let's get one on the top of the head too, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear a hat, but if I do, that'll be good. All right, let's get one on the shoulder, because it's a fresh kind of scent, so it's kind of light a little bit. So yeah, that is what it is. Oh, and today it's supposed to get up to, I think it's like 60 or 70 degrees, I'm not sure. And then also right now the time is 9:23, and right now the weather, let's see what is the weather. Is that right? Goodness gracious. Oh, it's 71 degrees already. Okay, so maybe it might be a little bit warmer. I don't think it's 71 degrees because it's an overcast right now. So anyway, I'm doing too much talking. Stick around, ride with me with this ride along, and let's see how it does. Azure. All right, let's go. All right, folks, so I am doing a check-in now. It is, let me get out the street. It is now 12 after 2. Oh, earlier I said it was 9 something. It was 11. So the fragrance now is really, really muted. It's kind of a skin scent pretty much right now. So yeah, it's really close to the skin. So and I put last sprays on, but I'm about to go on a hike and check it out, see maybe when my body heats up a little bit, it'll be a little bit better. So roll with me, let's check it out. Hey, all right, folks. So, end of the hike, and the fragrance is pretty much gone. I'm catching little hints of it, look here and there. But the crazy thing is, I can still kind of smell it on my shirt. So, I guess if you want to wear this, which is a summer fragrance, you're probably gonna be having on short sleeves, and if you're going to spray your skin, it's going to fade pretty quickly, but probably best to spray your clothes if you want it to last a little bit longer. So that is that. Oh, and right now it is explain that. Okay, let me get the time for you guys. It is 3:45. So not a very long lasting fragrance at all. I would say at the most maybe 3 to 4 hours, because I put it on like around 11. It's 3 now. So on the clothes, like I said, it's light. It's light on my clothes, but nobody's gonna smell it unless they are the bugs are in my face. Unless they are laying on my clothes or something, or maybe when I take off my clothes it might come back. But anyway, it is 3:45, 3:46 now, and that is the update for right now. And the temperature, let's see what the temperature is. Hold on a second. Okay, so the temperature is 80 degrees right now, so, and it's humid outside, so that's that. And I guess I'll check back in a little bit later. All right, folks. So I am back in, ready to wrap this up. And yeah, this fragrance it's not a long-lasting fragrance. It on skin, I think I got maybe about 4 hours. It was from about 11 to about 4, something like that. And then, but I was trying to wait to see if I can finish up after it died off my clothes, but I still smell it on my clothes. It's not strong. It's not going to be projecting. It's not, maybe not even getting any attention, but it's still there because I sprayed it on my shoulder, and it's still, it's still there. It's I can catch little glimpses of it when I move around a little bit, but it's nothing that's going to be walking past people and getting attention. But anyway, so right now it is 7:34, and the temperature, I think it topped out at 81 degrees today. No, 82 degrees. So yeah, this fragrance, Azure, it's a great fragrance. I like it. Only thing, it's not a long-lasting fragrance. You really have to overspray, and if you're going to wear it in a time where you're not going to have, where you have more clothes on, just spray it on your clothes. Like instead of having short sleeves on, if you have something where you can spray it on the shirt, it probably will last a little bit better. But on a spring day, when you're going to be, just moving around like outside, it's probably not going to last that long. So you probably need to take a decant with you, or just bring the whole bottle with you. So yeah. All right, so while I'm here, let's go ahead and run through these notes for Jean Lowe Azure by Maison Alhambra. The notes are, and that's another thing. When I initially purchased the fragrance, I knew it had a lot of citrus notes in it. So I was thinking, okay, this may not last that long because citrus notes tend to evaporate a lot quicker than any of the heavier notes. But for Azure, the top notes for this is bergamot and mandarin, and then the middle notes is orange, and then the base notes is just ginger and ambergris. Now the ambergris is going to just help you get a little bit more attention. It should, in theory, it should make it last longer, which I'm sure, I guess it does. Even with 4 hours, the ambergris is probably what's carrying the fragrance, because the other notes are very volatile. The bergamot, the orange, and the mandarin, those kind of dissipate pretty quickly. So, but yeah, all right, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for riding around with me with this ride along. It's been a long day. Well, not too long, but I just thought this fragrance was going to last a little bit longer, but it is what it is. And like I said, it's a fragrance that I have a couple of other fragrances that have the same type of DNA. So, and those actually last a little bit longer. So if I'm going to like a pool or something like that, I know I'm gonna be outside for just a short amount of time, the Azure might be a good fragrance to wear. But it is a clone of Afternoon Swim. So, all right. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Azure, this ride along. This is your boy Will with the Will Report. Till next time, deuces.